So this next one is also a thoracic shoulder and neck combo. We call these ones circles. So Caitlin's going to be sideline again. She's going to lift that arm up, bring it all the way back, and come right back to that center start. Again, she's going to try not to move her body, just the arm. Nice, good opening up of that shoulder there. When we advance this to phase 2, she's now going to watch her thumb with her face as she goes. So her head stays resting on that pillow the entire time. She's not moving that back, but the neck and the shoulder and the arm are moving all together. And just like with phase 3, when we're going to pick that head up, she's going to keep a nice straight line, and as she does that, she's going to be going through rotation, extension, and flexion with the neck. This should be a very difficult exercise if you've never done it. Good. We want to do 2 sets of 20 on each side, a couple times a day.